koutou katoa. Today we're going to learn to ask what is this, what is that, and what is that over there in te Reo Māori. He aha tēnei, what is this? He aha tēnā, what is that? He aha tērā, what is that over there? You'll find a link to this fun activity in the comments section below. Tēnei, this. Tēnā, that. Tērā, that over there. Tēnei means this. It is referred to when the object is near or connected to the speaker. He aha tēnei, what is this near me? Tēnā, that. You would use this if you're asking somebody else what they are holding, if the object is near them. He aha tēnā, what is that? Tērā, that over there. When you are asking somebody what that object is that is away from both the speaker and the listener. He aha tērā, what is that over there? He aha tēnei, what is this? He pene tēnā, that is a pen. He aha tēnei, what is this? He puka puka tēnā, that is a book. He aha tēnei, what is this? He āporo tēnā, that is an apple. He aha tēnā, what is that? He āporo tēnei, this is an apple. He aha tēnā, what is that? He pene tēnei, this is a pen. He aha tēnā, what is that? He puka puka tēnei, this is a book. He aha tērā, what is that over there? He puka puka tērā, that over there is a book. He aha tērā, what is that over there? He pene tērā, that over there is a pen. He aha tērā, what is that over there? He āporo tērā, that over there is an apple. Let's practice our kupu, our words. Tēnei, tēnā, tērā. Here are some kupu you will find in the activity sheet. Āporo, apple. Pene, pen. Puka puka, book. Pōtai, hat. Rākau, tree. Paihikara, bike. Kapu, cup. Hoiho, horse. If you'd like to learn more, you can go to my next lesson, which will be about the plural form. Ēnei, ēnā, ērā. Ka kite anō. See you again soon. Don't forget there is an activity sheet connected to this activity in the comments section below.